Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the ghost touch problem on your Nothing Phone 3. So first, we want to remove the screen protector and a case. It's very important to do that because the screen protector, if it's not perfectly aligned to the sides and it's covering the edge of this phone, let's say here, then it might cause the ghost touch issues right here because the screen protector will be basically on the screen. And it won't be in a normal way, it will be like sticking out here, and that might cause those issues. So we want to remove the screen protector if it's poorly applied, and a case if it's not original, because it can cover the screen a little bit here if it's not made perfectly, and it might cause the ghost touch problems. So what you guys can do is you guys can update the software as a last resort to actually fix any touch glitches. So go to settings, here select system, and now we need to go over to system updates, and I'll check for update again. And as you guys can see, my system is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important, and that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.